All right, everyone. Let me know if you can see me and, of course, hear me well. Well, see me maybe not just right now, but all right, everyone. Let me know if you can see me. I think the audio is good. So I was just doing a sound test to make sure that the audio is actually looking good. And let me know if you can see me. Let me just go ahead and open my window a little bit. Yeah, because it's pretty dark in here for some reason. That's too bright. Okay, let me know if you can hear me and see me well. There you go. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm just trying to move my camera, the lighting of the camera. Let me see how many people we have watching this streaming. We have 64 people. Hey, if you're just joining in this live streaming, let me explain you what's going to happen right now. And smash the like button if you're just joining in this live streaming. We're going to trade with the 2-minute strategy today. Right now, I was actually warming up on demo. We had a couple of good trades, a couple of bad ones. Today is February the 18th. I'm going to switch to my real account right now, and we are ready to trade. Actually, today I want to talk about something extra for the 2-minute strategy that might help you make even more money. So we're going to talk about it right now. Let me know where you're saying hi from so that I can tell you hi, how you doing. Let me know what country you're in. Let me know if you know the 2-minute strategy. If you don't, please practice on demo. And if you want to trade with real money, it's really up to you. This is more educational than actually making money wise. Remember that if you want to make money with the 2-minute strategy by following signals directly, you can go to blwsignalsgroup.com and get your account with the BLW Signals Group. We have 2-minute strategy, 5-minute strategy room in there. So I'm moving my camera just a little bit so that you guys can actually see my charts. Right now, we are about to place a couple of trades. I'm going to start with this one actually for 4 minutes. Yeah, I think I can wait for the next one for 2 more minutes. And I'm going to explain you right now why. And you probably are like, hey, what is this? What is going on if the red line is below? But I'm going to explain you this right now. So how's everybody doing from Pakistan? Thank you. Yeah, nice haircut. Thank you, Shra. How you doing? Pakistan, Nigeria, Zambia, IT. I think this is the first person I got from IT. That's actually something cool. Ghana, South Africa, Philippines, India, Philippines, Taiwan. Is there a delay on your stream, Chris, right now? There's always a delay for around 20 seconds, so be careful, okay? Be very, very careful. We're going to be trading with $5, and these are the pairs that I'm going to be looking at. We're going to stop after 2 out of the money. Hopefully, we don't get those really fast and we can make some money. If not, we can switch to demo if we get the out of the money too fast. Right now, these are the results that I've had so far. If you notice, this is my real account, and I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the money in a row, which is something cool. Germany, Kenya, South Africa, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Germany, India, Bangladesh, Morocco, South Africa, India, Serbia, Philippines, Singapore, Pakistan. How you doing, everyone? No haters so far. We're going to enter this one. Now, I wanted to drop just a little bit. There you go. I'm going to enter for this one for 2 minutes, 1406. Also, I'm gonna wait for these two for the next next few minutes, and I'm gonna explain you why. So here's a question or a common comment that I've been getting in regards to the 2-minute strategy during the last few weeks, and it's in regards to the trends of the pairs. And something I've noticed is that whenever there's an actual trend in the pair, for example, is a downtrend or uptrend, the probability to actually get in the money in the direction of the trend is actually way higher. So for example, right now, if you notice, this is a downtrend in NZD USD, and I'm gonna make my screen just a little bit right now. As soon as we have a little bit more time to explain, but let's say for example, this is a downtrend. So the ones that have the more possibilities to be in the money are the puts when the moving average, the blue moving averages cross the yellow line going down. So for example, over here we have an in the money. Even if the lines are all together, like when I tell you it's volatile and you shouldn't trade in there, even in those space, it's in the money if it's going in the direction of the trend. So this is what I find really interesting. Even though the red line is like in there telling you not to trade, usually it's in the money. And this is what we're going to test right now. Right now, for example, we placed the trade for a call over here. Even though the red line is below, it's not guaranteed that it's going to be 100% in the money. So what we're going to do is that we're going to test that theory that depending on the trend, the in the monies get to us like immediately. For example, right now we just got one in the money, and here I'm going to enter, but I'm just going to wait for it to you know what? No, I'm not going to enter because the MACD hasn't crossed yet. This one I will enter. This one for 1408. I just wanted to jump a little bit just to be like in a safer spot. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, the broker placed the trade a little bit below, but we're risking $5. That's fine. We just won this one right here. The indicators, you can look it up, 2-minute strategy on YouTube. There's videos with over 185,000 views where I explain the indicators. So I recommend you to check them out in there. Right now, just learn from this. People saying hi from Macedonia, Sri Lanka there. Sri Lanka again. We have the first dislike. The first hater just arrived. Everybody say hi to the hater. So what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm gonna risk $2 in this one, and I'm gonna enter for 1408 on the next for 1410, because like I said, we're actually testing this theory that this one, I think this one went away, but I think the MACD and the moving average on Euro JPY is actually gonna get crossed like at the same time. So I think we can just go ahead and risk $2 in there. This one looks really tight. Hopefully we win it. But this is, does that make sense? Like what I'm telling you in regards to the trends, what I want to test today, does it make sense? I want to know if it's making sense to y'all, because that's basically what I'm trying to actually teach you, you know, a better way or a most accurate way to make money with the 2-minute strategy. Okay. Okay, Marcus, I think you're wrong this time because I won the NZD USD. BLW means binary living way. We have 2 haters now. Okay, that's cool. 2 haters today. If you're just joining in, I'm going to talk about why is it that I'm trading even with the red lines above and below. 3 haters so far. Awesome. Love you. I was kind of feeling disappointed you guys weren't here, you know, hating. Okay, I'm not going to enter for this one because it definitely became too risky. But we have 2 in the money so far. So we're going to continue. So let me go ahead and explain it again now that we won 2 trades. Take a look at my latest trades using the 2-minute strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades in the money. I haven't lost any trade in the last, ever since February the 12th, the 13th, ever since September the 13th. I haven't lost any trade with this strategy. And I'm trading with 2 minutes. I'm not trading with 5 like I promised I was going to do it. Does that make sense? Right now, if you notice here, we got this in the money and this one was in the money as well. I didn't trade them, but if you notice, the red line is above the blue lines, okay? It's above the blue line. And even so, the trade was in the money. So we're looking at a confirmation, an extra confirmation that it might be even more powerful than the red line. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Like, if it's a downtrend, we're going to focus only on placing put trades. If it's an uptrend, we're going to focus only on call trades. Does that make sense to y'all? By the way, there are no 3-ball news right now. There were 3-ball news on Euro and GBP really early in the morning. Right now, there's nothing going on. So I guess we are good to go. So let me know if that makes sense. I'm going to keep on looking right now for more trades, for more opportunities. But take a look at this one. This was an uptrend and the red line was below and I got in the money. This one is a downtrend. The red line was above and I got an in the money. Okay? These are the 2 trades of today, February the 18th. 2-minute trades. Does that make sense to you? Does anybody have any question right now? Because this is kind of a training / live trading video. Okay? I'm Jad Ali. What? No, what? Doesn't it make sense? Ask me. Don't worry. Ask me. The setting for the 2-minute strategy. Okay. This is going backwards, but I'm going to go ahead and do it really quick. If you can follow me, then just go ahead and watch my other videos in regards to the 2-minute strategy. All you need to do is actually put the 2-minute time frame in here, and then you add 3 moving averages. One, and let me go ahead and remove them. You add the moving average. Let me look it up. Moving average with a period of 6 in blue color. Then you add another moving average with, what am I doing? There you go. Moving average with a period of 14 in yellow color. And then you add a third moving average in the period of 26 in red color. And additionally, you add the MACD. You add it as default settings right here. There you go. These are the settings. Okay. By any chance you think I went too fast or you want to see more details, you can go ahead and check my videos in regards to the 2-minute strategy. You only need to type in 2-minute strategy and you're going to find a bunch of my videos. Like I said, over 400,000 views all combined. So you can take a look. Watch 2-minute strategy. Yes. Would it make a difference if we remove the deadline, the red line? I don't think if we focus on the trend, I don't think it would. We're going to give a try right now. Okay, we're going to give it a try. We're going to keep on doing streamings just like this one in order to make this strategy even more profitable. So we're going to try on a different streaming just without the red line, just with the trends, and we're going to see how that goes, okay? So you take a trade where the blue line is heading. That's right. If it's heading down, I take a put. If it's heading up, I take a call. But it's dependent on the trend. Right now, we're focusing on the trend, right? What is good way to understand trends? As I always have trouble with trends because I don't know what other reversals. A trend is this one. If you notice, it's coming down. This is a downtrend. And another trend is this one. USD CHF is, if you notice, it's going up. That is an uptrend. So that's what I mean by trends. So we look at the red line, not in this specific theory, okay, which is actually looking good. Take a look at my trades. I mean, this is what this talks, okay? Studio 605 says, do we wait for the candle, for one candle to complete so we could enter in another one, or we could do in the middle of rising or opposite candle? No, I would wait until the next candle. For example, here it didn't touch. Let me show you. Here it didn't touch, so I would wait for this candle. Once it touches the next candle, this is the one, and wait for it to drop a little bit so that you have more chances to win. Same as this one, you enter right here and just wait for it to jump a little bit so that you can enter for this one. I hope that makes sense. How to create Conte VIP. I don't know what you mean, Conte VIP. I don't know what that is. You look at the trend and follow. Yes. Sorry to ask which indicator you use now. They're just moving averages. A lighter blue. Just change the quality on your video, because with the colors that I have right here, it looks perfectly good. So try to look for different quality, like 720 or 1080p. Chris, do you look at the time of the candle when it begins, or does it matter? I look at what time it begins. Yes. What indicator? Okay, same questions. USD/CAD in the money. Is this really a good investment? What do you mean, Lourdes? You mean binary options? Well, take a look at my accounts and you tell me. We don't look at the red line, focus on the blue line crossing yellow. That's correct. What if I'm using all-in trade? I don't have too many candles. Then you can use tradingview.com. Although you do need to pay for the premium account, which is like $9 a month. And you can set to 2-minute candles, and then you can use it, you know. You can use the indicators in there. Hi from Zimbabwe. Thank you, Thols, GBP, CAD, possible entry. I'm just looking at right near the 4 pairs I have. It very makes sense. Thank you very much. Thank you, Studio 605. Hey, if you joined in this live stream, you make sure you smash the like button. If you're not smashing the like button, that means that you're not learning everything. Come on, learn everything you can from this training. And right now, what I'm going to show you, because Amjet says, tells about the 2-minute strategy app. The 2-minute strategy app is an application that I created for MT5, MetaTrader 5, that basically analyzes the same markets, the same strategy using the same moving averages, and sends you an alert just like this one right here, an arrow, and tells you, boom, there's a call or a put opportunity you can enter right now. You get the alert right here. You install in your computer and you can trade using the app. It's $49.99 a month. Now, here's the question though. Do you need it? Do I need this app to make money with the 2-minute strategy? No, you don't. Okay. This is an additional tool. This is an extra tool, and I've said this many times because people are like, hey, you're just trying to sell me an application. No, I'm not trying to sell you anything. It's right there. I'm not pushing you. Hey, if you don't buy the app, you're not gonna make any money. No, you can make money. I'm making money right now trading manually without the app. But if you want that extra help, you can get the app, or you can join the Facebook, the blwsignalsgroup.com website, where we have a 5-minute strategy room, which is the same strategy just in 5 minutes. Okay. By the way, now that you mentioned, we're going to create an application for 2 to 5 minutes. It's the same one. So if you already purchase it, you don't need to purchase it, but it's going to be the same one improved. And for 5 and 2 minutes, okay, we're going to create tutorials and everything, but that's coming soon, probably next month. Right now, we're focusing on the new trading platform. Does MACD crossing matter? Yes, it does. MACD is always going to help us to determine a trade, okay? It's always going to help us determine a trade. Right now, we're not trading, or we're not waiting, because this is a downtrend, so I'm going to wait for it to jump, and then looking for a put. This one as well, waiting for a call. This one's waiting for a put, and this one I'm waiting for a put as well. So that's the reason why I'm not trading. Thank you for all the likes. 138 people watching right now. I'm glad you're enjoying this live streaming. Let me know where you're saying hi from if you're just joining in. If you're watching this on the replay, make sure you share it with your friends and put in the comment section your question. Hi from Singapore. Hi, sir. So should I do 5-minute candles with 5-minute expiry? Yes, this strategy works for 2 minutes and 5-minute expiry. The reason why I'm trading right now with 2 minutes is because we get a lot more options, a lot more opportunities to trade. Okay, it doesn't mean that it's better or worse. The way it's better with 5 minutes is that you have more time to actually enter the trade, but the results are very, very similar. 84, sometimes 85, sometimes 90%. It depends. Can we use it on binary option? This is binary option actually. So yeah. If you mean the application, yeah, it's for binary options itself. What's the use of the MACD? The MACD actually tells you when there is a trade coming. It crosses before the moving averages, 1 or 2 candles before. So if it crosses, it means that the next couple of candles is going to be in the money for the moving averages as well. I hope that makes sense. Lower this. I think you need to watch my tutorials in the 2-minute strategy. Lower this via sete. I think you Latin, right? How you doing? Where are you saying hi from? Lower this? For 1 minute candle is not above 80% in the money. That's why I don't recommend it. Only for 2 minutes and 5 minutes. Where to enter the trade in 2-minute strategy? You need to watch the tutorials. I think you guys are like really behind. I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but this training is to improve the strategy. So you do need to know how the strategy works. But there's a bunch of videos, right? Don't get me wrong. It's not like I don't want to teach you or I'm going to go to the website. I'm going to teach you for $12. No, I'm not selling anything. The videos are free on YouTube. Can everybody like confirm that the videos are free on YouTube? Can everybody confirm that? And if you haven't, please smash the like button to support this live streaming. Menzi from South Africa. How you doing? South Africa. Namibia. Qatar. South Africa. Conte VIP. I don't know what that is. Pakistan. I'm in the BLW group. Signals. Awesome. Russia, I think. Veni, is that what you mean? Russia or South Africa? I'm sorry. RSA. I don't know. Emmanuel Bambali is selling a scam, is selling an ebook and everything. So I'm going to silence him. Do you see how spammers? And now I'm going to get a different dislike, you know. Have you noticed, this is off topic, but have you noticed that the most viral videos on YouTube about binary option strategies and everything have a bunch of comments in regards to account managers, recommendations, WhatsApp numbers, Telegram channels, and hey, Mr. John Smith changed my life and he's a great account manager and here's his email address. Have you noticed that? Let me know. Confirm in the live chat. Have you noticed that those videos are the ones that are more viral? The reason why is because the more comments you get, the more viral the video gets. And try to go into my videos and see if you find any of those freaking scam comments. You're not going to find them. And despite that, we are almost hitting 30,000 subscribers. Is that cool? I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, this person was spamming the live chat. Of course, you guys can't see it because it's held automatically for scam on YouTube. I'm 2 minutes ahead of you. Do you do martingale? No, I don't recommend martingale because that's basically risking more in the next trade. So no, I don't recommend it. How many out of the money proves that the time not right for using 5-minute strategy? What do you mean? How many out of the money proves that the time not right for using the 5-minute? Just with 2 out of the money, but it doesn't really count as out of the money. It counts at what is your success rate. If your success rate is not above 78 to 85% in the money, then you're not doing it right. Philippines, lower this. Nice to meet you. Free on YouTube. Yes, free on YouTube. IQ option legit. Yeah, it is. Sri Lanka. Member of the BLW Signals group. How you doing? Today, 2-minute strategy so bad. I actually got 2 in the money. We're gonna keep on. We're gonna continue trading. And yesterday, yesterday or the day before, I don't remember. No, yesterday was Monday. Everybody was like in the chat, like, "Hey, the 2-minute strategy is not doing good." And I got 3 in the money yesterday too. Take a look. February 17, I got 3 in the money, and then I stopped. I didn't need to continue. So beat The markets are bitch. Remember that. Somalia, how you doing? India, yeah, you've noticed that in regards to the comments, right? Legit first person I've seen. Thank you. Euro JPY coming. I'm not going to enter the Euro JPY because this is a downtrend, okay? So I'm going to wait for it to be put, okay? It doesn't mean that you can't enter. If you want to, just make sure you do it on demo or you control your emotions. I'm not going to enter. I'm going to wait for the down position. Wow, there's a lot of comments. Thank you for the likes. Hey, smash the like button. Over 100 people watching this right now. Thank you for sharing. Please, Chris, do we look for a long-term trend? Not really that long, but as long as it is a for sure trend. For example, I was looking at GBP, I think GBP something. And if you notice here, it was an uptrend, but then it became a stable trend. So I'm not going to trust this one. Does that make sense? What was the other pair I have here? I don't remember. Shoot, I don't remember. Can you tell me what was the pair that I actually had in here? I forgot because I moved it to see a different pair. Exactly. Yeah, many scammers like that. Yeah, the BLW Academy is also free. I don't think I'm going to be able to actually answer all the comments. You got one tip, share it with the group as long as it's not a scam. What was the pair that I have? Does anybody know what was the pair that I actually had in here? Because I lost it. I don't remember, and I don't want to keep on looking at all of them because I'm answering the questions. XRP, I don't know what do you mean, XRP? Grenada here, it's actually freaking cool. Euro JPY. No, Euro JPY is actually here. NCD and something else. I think it was NCD USD. Thank you guys. Let me go ahead and choose it. NZD USD. Yeah, it was this one. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we got some new admins sending signals over there in the group. Doing good. I'm not going to enter. Does anybody understand why I'm not entering in this trade right now? I'm actually freezing, really. Let me turn off the AC for a little bit. How long I've been trading? 2014, at the end of 2014, beginning of 2015, something like that. Hey, smash the like button if you haven't smashed the like button. And by the way, if in case you want to learn how to trade and you're very, very new, remember, we have the BLW Trading Academy at blwtradingacademy.com. Don't miss the opportunity to actually learn it, okay? The reason why I'm telling you this, do I make money out of it? Of course not, because why? It's 100% free. Signalsacademy.com. I'm going to share the 3 websites I have. So this one right here is the free BLW Trading Academy. Take it. It's 100% free. Here I teach you exactly everything. What is online trading, what are binary options, what is Forex, how to trade Forex, so on and so forth. So take it. If you're very new and you're going to improve your trading, you're going to start your improving trading career. Give us tips in regards to money management. Money management, don't ever trade more than 5 to 10% of your balance and stop after 2 out of the money or even 1 out of the money. If your emotions are taking place and you feel like, you're getting too nervous and everything, just stop, okay? You don't need to continue. It's better to not trade than losing money. Does that make sense? I hope that helps. Can we apply your 2-minute strategy in all option brokers like IQ option, expert option, binomial, all-in trade? Yes, you can in any broker you want. You're going to enter for Euro JPY. All right, let me see how it goes. I'm going to keep on watching it as well. I think you're going to be in the money though. And also take my BLW Signals Academy. In case you want to join the BLW Signals group, this is the academy. It's 100% free as well. You can actually get the training as to how to follow the signals. And once you actually take that training, then you can go ahead and join the BLW Signals group for $29.99 a month. Okay? If that's what you're looking for, making money. In the money, 97%. Awesome. I'm happy for you. As I understand, we'll still keep the red line. We just wait for the trend to confirm the put and call. That's correct. Barbarossa's clips. PlayTube says, I was in the money a few days, but now only lose. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Just be careful. Practice on demo. Markets are not always like the best way possible, but yeah. Just try to practice on demo whenever you feel like you're losing money. Okay? Chris, I forgot to ask you this. I got a call from London and the guy said it's from IQ Option Service and he wants to introduce me to an app to help me get started. Is that fake? I don't know if it's fake, but I wouldn't trust any app that is run by a broker because they don't want us to make money, right? To sure, the master at work. Awesome. I do same thing, sir. Stop trading if it doesn't feel good. Exactly. It happens after Bitcoin's dropping. Probably, yeah. How do I apply the indicators? What do you mean? These indicators? Look at the, what's going on with your name on YouTube, Sex Addict. Yes, a USD CHF is coming. You can take it if you want to, but I'm waiting for the trend of a call. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to have a call because it's an uptrend. The same thing, NZD USD was in the money, Euro JPY was in the money. Probably this one is gonna be in the money, but I'm just testing in the trends. Okay, this training is just about the trends. Is it okay not to use indicators? Then how are you gonna trade? Yeah, don't trade. Don't trade. I don't know if we're going to have more chances because I only have more like 15 more minutes. But hey, get me the questions. Get me questions. Can you add the 2 minutes group in the BLW Signals group? It is, but it is as 5-minute strategy room. But I recommend you to get the app. Okay, the app is super, super, super cool. One of the cool things, and by the way, try it for a little longer because I got a refund request from someone who purchased it on Sunday. And on Sunday night, he said it didn't work. I know that this person just took the app and asked for the refund because he already had the app. Okay, I know it is a scam. The good thing is that I'm not gonna die for $49. I gave him the refund, but I know this strategy. All right, like just purchase, say it doesn't work, and then ask for a refund so that you can get the app for free. It doesn't matter. It's your life. It's your karma. All right. So you're just screwing up with your karma. I'm all right. So, but take it. Take it. All right. $49.99 is a good investment for a lifetime of getting signals with a 5-minute or 2-minute strategy. And plus, I give you always tips as to how to get more money even with this application. The link is 2minutestrategyapp.com, by the way. 2minutestrategyapp.com. Let me see the questions. It's just your name. All right, that's all right. It's just funny. How do we receive signals from the 5-minute room? All you need to do is log in. Let me log in. And then go to 5-minute strategy room. I think there's even signals right now coming in from Harry, if I'm not mistaken. So you enter the 5-minute strategy room. And here are the chat boxes. Here, if you notice, Harry's giving away signals. And here's people following signals in the money, whatever. Does that make sense? Do we need MT5 to use the app? Yes, you do, but I provide it here. You can download it for free in here. So it doesn't matter. You don't need a demo account or anything. It's good forever. Which is the perfect strategy? There is no perfect strategy. I'm sorry. Suggest a money management 5 to 10%. Yeah. If you're very new at trading, I recommend you to take my free BLW Trading Academy and my free BLW Signals Academy. Take them both. How good price action based on trading compared to indicators based? To this one, moving averages? Not sure. I haven't really made a comparison. Price action is more for longer longer trades. Can you explain about the red line and trend? Should the red line? This video is going to be available after we finish with this live streaming, and definitely going to download the video and get some parts so that I can make shorter videos to explain what I explained at the beginning so that I don't have to explain it more times. Hey Chris, so I purchased the app last year, but now it's showing I have not purchased it. So what do? Go into the website and talk to a chat support agent right here. Chat to a chat support agent, and they're going to help you reset your password. Don't worry. Those are cheap people. I know. I was wondering, and maybe I make a mistake here. If 6 and 14 crossover, what does the candle tells you when to enter or not? You enter at the beginning of the candle. That's it. $49.99 a month? No. It's $49.99 lifetime, one-time charge, forever and ever. In the new platform, are there going to be separated rooms for binary and forex? Yes, there will. Can you use candlestick pattern strategy? No, I don't use it. I haven't really practiced it at all. I only use support and resistance and the 2-minute strategy, and that's enough. Chris, all yours. You also determine the candles if it's a doji or color or the candle hammer? No, I don't determine that. Just based on moving averages. Okay, many questions. That's awesome. In the money for USD CHF. Awesome. Happy for you. Is it realistic to start trading with $10? I made my first $3,000 from $20. So yes, it is realistic. Of course, it took time, but it is possible. What is the difference between the 2-minute strategy app and the 5-minute strategy room? The 2-minute strategy app is an algorithm, so you get the signals all day long, and the 5-minute strategy room is actual people sending the signals. That's the difference. Well, sending you predictions, because they're not signals. They give you a prediction and you decide when to enter and when not to. Okay? I think we're going to have an opportunity with Euro JPY in about 10 minutes or something like that. Also in here with NZD USD. So hopefully we do have it. Maybe something on USD CHF. I'm not sure. We're going to wait for it. I have NT4. Can you do this application? No, you need NT5, but I give it away for free and the download page. So no worries about that. Getting the zap. Awesome, Martins. How do the admins really decide on the SR for signals? For regular signals, if you mean, it's based on support and resistance. For the 2-minute strategy, they don't give any SR because you're the one supposed to decide. It's over 175 people watching. Hey, 77 likes. If you haven't, please smash the like button to support this live streaming. So far, we have won 2 trades. I'm just waiting for a couple of more and then we're going to be done. But testing this strategy, if you notice, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in the money in a row. So you should definitely check it out. If you don't know what strategy I'm talking about, just type in 2-minute strategy on YouTube and you're going to find all of my videos. Adam, welcome here. No worries. If using support and resistance, is it okay using 2-minute strategy or longer time period? You can use the 2-minute strategy and combine it with the support and resistance. That's not a problem. 97% in the money. That's awesome, man. Oh, 90% payout. Oh, that's actually cool. I got 73, 73 in all of them. Is it possible to install MT5 on a Mac? Yes, it is. But to be honest with you, I'm not sure about that tutorial. I put a tutorial on the download app, but I have never had a Mac computer. So that's the reason why I don't really give you a complete tutorial, but you can look it up before purchasing the app, and if you find a way, then you can purchase it. If not, don't worry, You don't really need to. Done liking. 93 likes. Thank you very much, all. Haters are probably upset right now. So the 5 minutes and 2 minutes, which is better? Kill this argument, please. Both are good. Look, let me just give you the differences. With the 2-minute strategy, you can put more trades because the time frame is less, so you have more opportunities. Within a half hour, you can place 4 or 5 trades. With the 5-minute strategy, it's harder to find positions, but you have more time to enter those positions. That's the only difference. Look, 2-minute strategy plays a lot more with your emotions. If you can't control your emotions, then go with 5 minutes. Bottom line, all right? End of the argument, if you want to call it that way. When do we have to call put again? Audrey, I don't know what you mean. Thank you for the 3 likes. Can the schedules of Lester or Harvey be changed to 6 to 9 GMT? Because there is not a lot of pairs in their actual time. Well, we're going to continue. We're going to continue adding more people for the room. No worries. Because we want to cover more time. Euro GBP now high. Yeah, but like I said, I'm waiting for the downtrend on that one. You can enter for Euro GBP. Mm-mm-mm. 99% payout in South Africa. That's crazy payout. Do it. Haters are on fire. Yeah. What is the best time to trade? All time is good as long as you avoid 3 bold news. Okay. How do you read the indicators to determine a call or put position? When the blue line crosses the yellow line going up, it's a call. When the blue line crosses the yellow line going down, it's a put. That's it. Please create a Telegram group for signals free. Free is dead. No, I'm just playing. No, there's no free signals in Telegram right now. But you can join BLW Signals group for $29.99 a month and make a lot of money in there. People in the that are in the Signals group. Can you share a testimonial right here in the live chat so that people who are not in the group can understand the power of it? Help me out in there. blwsignalsgroup.com. Hi, I'm new in IQ option. I don't see binary and digital in options. Can you tell me how can I find? When you choose the pair, it should say binary. It should set options and binary and digital. If it doesn't say, it just means that your location doesn't allow binary options. Euro GBP keep going up right now. Depending on when you entered, it might be in the money, yeah. Is there a change on how we're using the red moving average? Right now, I'm just ignoring it. But we're practicing, all right? We're trying to master this strategy even a lot more. Happy says, my parents are against trading. They think it's 100% gambling and not practical. Yeah, people who are not in the business think this is gambling. But do you think I'm gambling right now? Honestly, I know what I'm doing. In the Signals group, you guys support at least a 5-minute trade. What do you mean, Patricia? Not sure if it's a question. I have mixed feel for Euro GBP. Yeah, honestly, if you notice, it is a downtrend and it was out of the money. Euro GBP was out of the money. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, it's a downtrend. That's the reason why I'm actually testing it, you know. It's good that it happened live. Hopefully you didn't risk that much. Exactly. With no knowledge, it is gambling. Freeze dead. Yeah. Freeze in the past. But you can get my free academies and everything. You don't really need to be in the BLW Signals group to make money. You can make money outside. It's just that with the Signals group, we make your life easier. That's it. But that has a price, which is a low price of $29.99 a month. Come on. What's the difference between binary and digital? I haven't used digital, so I don't know anything about it. How many winning rate if I follow this strategy? Well, take a look at my latest numbers and you tell me how successful can you be with this strategy. Switch into practice mode. Exactly, Gabriel. That is the smartest decision you can make when your emotions take control or when you lose a couple of trades. Awesome. Congratulations about that, all right? Really. Keep on like that. My IQ Option account from Play Store doesn't show binary, but when I download it from their site, I get IQ Option X and it does show binary. We'll download it from their website. Where's the MT5 link? When you purchase the 2-Minute Strategy app on the 2-Minute Strategy app website, which I'm going to send you right now in the live chat, on the download page, you can check the MT5 link. Really easy to download. Everyone says me is a gamble. My whole family is saying the same thing. I don't know how to explain that. Don't explain it. Just keep on doing what you're doing. All right. Look, I didn't explain what I was doing, what I was in my dorm room like the whole time. And people were like, hey, you're so antisocial. You don't talk to anyone. Hey, you should just go party more. Hey, you should. And then when they saw me carrying thousands of dollars in my pocket and buying everything I wanted, then they started asking, how do you do it? Can you teach me how to do it? It's how life works. So don't worry about it. Even your parents, all right? I'm not saying, hey, you parents, but I mean, just do what you do best and let the noise talk. Amjad, you're spamming the chat. When should we trade? Downtrend or uptrend? Both. But enter for a call if it's an uptrend and enter for a put if it's a downtrend. Okay? Why is that when I'm using my cell phone, I can't see binary only in digital, but in my computer, it's an issue with IQ Option. Talk to them. Which pairs are the best for this strategy? Any pair is good. Any time is good as long as you avoid the rebel news. We have one new hater. Probably someone who didn't like that I'm not answering their questions. But that's good, okay? That makes it a little bit more interesting because we have 183 people watching. Hey, smash the like button so that we can hit the 100 likes right now and the haters start crying again. We have one more, 5 haters. That's actually good. It wasn't really fun without you guys. It was kind of getting boring. Is it risky to trade in 2 minutes? It's a short period. Thanks for sharing the strategy, though. It's up to you, okay? This is not a strategy for everyone. We might have a call opportunity here. Yeah, we're gonna wait for it. Is it 100% accurate? There's nothing 100% accurate. Nothing in the world is 100% accurate. Agree. Don't explain until you have success. Yeah, makes sense. Hey, did you just say you made $3,000 from $20? Yes, back in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 16. Thank you for the 100 likes. I don't trust my parents. This is only a counting IQ Option you have. In IQ Option, yeah. It's gambling when you're losing. Wait till they see you making money. That's true. Sorry. That's all right. Thank you, Neri. I'm glad you like these live sessions. I don't use Skrill. Skrill is a scam. They froze my account. 6% increase. Awesome. I think right now I did like what? Like $7 out of 200. How much is that? It's like 3-4%, something like that. Okay. I don't see any opportunities and I gotta get going, guys. So I'm gonna have to stop the streaming right now. Sorry about that. I was waiting for the signal, but the trend was a little bit stronger, going up a little bit. So I'm gonna have to stop in here. But I hope this training really helps you guys out. Okay, I'm gonna leave right here my trading history so that you guys know that I don't know, for some reason in life I lose more money than when I trade on my own. Like, I don't know why. But I hope you guys enjoyed this live streaming. If you did, please smash the like button. If you want to get more help with this strategy, you can purchase the 2-Minute Strategy app at 2minutestrategyapp.com. It's $49 and you can get it for one-time payment all your life. So I do appreciate that you guys were here today. If you're not part of the BLW Signals group, go to blwsignalsgroup.com. If by any chance I couldn't answer your questions live, make sure you put it on the comment section below, and I'll go ahead and take the time later on to answer those questions. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash the subscribe and like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.